Unboxing time! Konnichiwa, Mina-san! In today's video, we are going to unbox this package which was sent to me by one of my very good friends. And yeah, let's see what's in the package. So, the first thing we find is a box containing a mold of an Acanthoscuria geniculata. And the next thing we find is a sling. This is a Grammostola pulchripes sling or the Chaco golden knee, and it's pretty small. So yeah, let's first rehouse this sling and then we'll take a look at the mold. Since the sling is so small, I've decided to use this vial as its enclosure. There's about an inch of substrate in there, and I'll spray some water in there to maintain humidity, as slings require humidity in order to mold successfully. So yeah, let's rehouse it. So, moving on to the mold, my friend wants me to try and sex this Acanthoscuria geniculata mold. So, I'll submerge this mold in a solution of warm water and dishwashing liquid, and I'll let it rest in that water for about a day. Usually, you don't need more than 10 to 15 minutes, but since this mold is so old, I basically wanted to soak up that water nicely and get nice and soft. So, yeah, let's do that. So guys, it's been about a day, and yeah, let's try and spread this mold really carefully, and let's see if we can sex it. As you guys can see, the mold is still really fragile and it's basically breaking apart. But it does not matter as long as we are able to spread the abdomen without tearing it up too much. So now that we've managed to spread the abdomen, let's take a look at it under the microscope and see if we can sex this mold. So the region you want to focus on is the region between the first pair of book lungs, and I think this is a female. Yeah, I can clearly see the spermathecae in this video. It's basically a flap-like structure. So yeah, I'll put the image of the spermathecae as well, so that you can see what it looks like. So yeah, congratulations bro, this is definitely a female. So yeah, let's end this video with this really cute feeding clip by this small sling. And yeah, I'd also like to thank my friend for this free tarantula. And yeah, if you like this video, click on the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, put them down in the comment section below and I'll reply. And yeah, see you again next Saturday, guys. See ya.